Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour or an update of the Portmore Resilience Park that's being built in Portmore. Now, this park is on track. According to the government, it's on track to be finished by September of this year, September 2025. So, guys, let us know what you think as you take the tour. Do you think it will finish by September? So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The Portmore Resilience Park is being created with climate-smart technology, which will assist in combating the effects of climate change. It is being built on 21.5 acres of land at a cost of $4.4 billion and is fully funded by the Jamaican government. The park will include a 700-meter jogging track that runs through the complex, tennis and pickleball courts, an indoor center for netball, badminton and volleyball, as well as a multi-purpose event space, an outdoor gym, and large outdoor concert area. An area is being reserved as a transportation hub, another for commercial use, and there will also be a water feature in the park. Recycled materials are being used where possible, and the entire park will be lit with power generated by solar panels. The green areas will comprise drought-tolerant plants, and drip irrigation will be used to reduce waste. Prime Minister Holness, in highlighting how attractive the park will be on completion, urged residents to take care of the infrastructure and treat it like they do their homes. This will be a lovely park when it is complete. I can imagine on a Sunday evening or even on a Friday evening the energy and life that will be here as the people of the new parish of Portmore come to enjoy the wonderful public space, he said. Of course, for all parks anywhere, they are just as good as how the people maintain them. So yes, the UDC will be responsible for the maintenance of the park. But the truth is that no matter how many wardens you have and how much you sweep up and clean up, if persons using the park drink their water and throw the bottle on the ground, that is just going to take away from the value of the park. So when the park is built, I implore all the persons who are going to use the park to care for it. Own the park as if it is your home and this is your front yard, Holness said. He advised that the park will be opened to the public about a month or two after it is completed, adding that he anticipates seeing residents utilize the space. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.